guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the wards. I'm going to give you guys a little update on this. I came out the other day and was looking at this thing and there was no gas in it. I knew I put gas in it. So I pulled the drain plug out and it just started blowing gas out everywhere. The needle valve and the carb stuck. It filled the whole crankcase full of fuel. Washed the engine out basically. So I got on the internet, ordered a brand new carburetor, and I got something I should have got the last time, but I didn't have one. A brand new Briggs & Stratton fuel shutoff valve that we're going to put on this thing. So that way when we're done with it, we can shut that off, run the carburetor out of fuel, and we'll know the crankcase isn't getting washed down. I got a new spark plug for it. So at any rate, let's go ahead and dive into this thing, see how good this thing's going to run. I just want to put a little bit of more money into it before I go, greasing everything, doing belts, deciding if I'm going to paint it, what I'm going to do with it. I want to know that we got a sound engine, because last time the engine kind of was making some noises and smoking and stuff. I don't know. Let's get in here. Oh, if you remember last time, all this fuel line's new. They were placed in. Well, seems to me there's a 5/16 somewhere up here. Yeah, right up here. Apologize if the noise is getting to you guys. It's real windy today. It's like 70 degrees in November, so it's pretty awesome. But I think it's one of the last nice days we're really going to have to work outside. So I'm kind of trying to get some things done. New gaskets are pretty flimsy. I think I'm going to use 2 of them. I better go ahead and get the linkages on first. Take this off. Trying to make sure that governor spring's not going to go popping off of there. Oh. Before I had a couple last time. Got our linkages on.
Warp drive, Mr. Scott. Ahead warp 1, Mr. Sulu. Accelerating to warp 1, sir.
Okay, we got our carburetor on, got our fuel lines fixed. I had one clamp but not two. Zip tie will work in a pinch for now until I get the hardware store in. Replaced the spark plug. I dumped some gas in it, filled the oil up, took every last drop of oil I had. But
Scotty, we need more speed. I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. She can't take any more. Damn. Check off. Reroute auxiliary power to the helm. Scotty, the bridge. Captain, this is a little embarrassing, but I've never noticed the little lever I've been pushing. It's only about 2/3 of the way up. I actually can give her more. That's great.
Should be full. Get these leaves away from the muffler. And I think we're ready to try to make our first start on this new carburetor. Let's see here. This should be full choke. There we go. Speed backfire. Richard and Bob Barker. I wonder if it's the carburetor with too many jets in it. Huh. Now we're dripping it on the bottom bowl. That ain't good. Let's try it right there. Let's see if we get anything.
It's talking to us. All engines talk.
What's it saying?
It's saying, chitty, 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 chitty.
Richard, get out. That one there was probably a bit too far. Carburetor is not good. Not good. I've never had a brand new carburetor leak right out of the box. Might have to send this guy back.
Return to sender. Address on unknown. No such number, no such song.
Disappointment. Very disappointing. Way too many RPMs. Why is it doing that? It didn't mess with the governor on the engine. Huh. So weird. You told me we were probably doing better with the old one. Could have just put a shut-off valve on it and been fine. Weird. Well, I got to kind of taking a better look at this new carburetor that I bought off eBay. This thing came out of Canada. And I mean, it looks nice. It's an exact copy of what was on there, but I see something wrong with it already. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that or not, but you see how that bowl gasket's kind of pinched out of there? So it was destined to leak fuel out of that bowl. And I mean, no matter what I did, I just couldn't get it tuned. It just wouldn't tune to the engine. It's like it's overjetted, and I specifically went through and ordered a carburetor for an 8-horse Briggs of that vintage, so it should have been jetted correctly. But you know, I could tear into this thing and probably change jets and fix that little gasket there and make that right, but when I order something online, I don't expect it to work right out of the box. I expect to have to do a little bit of tuning on it, you know, to make it run perfect. But this thing here, I couldn't tune it, and it leaked fuel right out of the box, so that's going back. Usually I have excellent luck with carburetors off eBay and Amazon. Usually they're fine. I just turn the screws a little bit and it smooths right out and runs fine. But this time was not the case. Alright, well, I went ahead and put the old carb back on there. Because I mean, I felt like it was running, I mean, it wasn't running good, but better than that piece of garbage. Really disappointed in that. I usually have really good luck with these carbs. That one there is just a joke. So let's see if we can't get it fired up on the old carb. Sounds better already. That thing is loud. Yeah. Runs 1,000 times better than other eBay carb did, though. I don't think I'll use them again. Okay, get the air filter and air filter housing back on it. We'll try and go mow some leaves with it. I don't know, guys. I think that old 8 horse has got a lot of wear on it. Pretty ticky. Puffing a lot of smoke. I'm not sure how much more time I'm going to put into the old girl, but I'm going to have to think about it. But anyway, she's running the best she has yet. No thanks to that eBay carburetor that I bought. So I think this is where I'm going to end this video on it today. Maybe you'll see it again on the channel, maybe not. Hope you have a great day. God bless you.